Hey Forex traders, Israel Kimrin here from Vintageducation.com. I just want to record this video quickly just to kind of just show you how you can make up to $1,200 a day or more trading the Forex markets. When you start trading the Forex markets the way I teach my students to do, and obviously I'm doing for myself as well. So this is basically just a screenshot I just quickly captured from our private Forex community. One of the bonuses you actually get when you invest in my Forex course, basically, which is going to show you how to make these kind of returns. The funniest thing about this is a guy called Russ T. You can see there on screen, and it's interesting that this is a guy who's actually a new student of mine. He's actually been a student for just about 6 days. So not only is this proof of what trading, the way I'm going to show you how to trade once you get my course, can do for you. A question that always comes up is how quickly can I get results? And obviously I always have to tell people there's no guarantee, because literally I can't guarantee you're actually going to follow what I tell you to do. Okay, you might turn around and just decide to do something else. But in this case, I've got several examples of this, of people coming in quickly and then obviously coming in and then obviously making a good return. So Rusty here, like I said, has been my student for just 6 days. So in that 6 days time, he's obviously potentially gone through different materials, he's been in the community, etc., seeing what's going on. And this is what he just posted. Look what it says. It says, just like our mentor said, USD JPY, so this is a trade on the dollar yen for a short. So he took a short on the dollar yen, and he said he entered the trade at 1 AM his time. So as I go through this video, I'm obviously going to be showing you the proof. You can read it for yourself, but I want to break down how this is all benefit driven, how this all applies to you. So the first thing is, you see what he said? He said he took this trade at 1 AM in the morning. One of the big benefits with the Forex markets is that it's a 24-hour opportunity. So that gives you the opportunity to do this at any time of the day. So for example, Russ is a new student. He might have a job right now, okay, and he's learning how to trade the Forex markets to a point where he can obviously leave his full-time job, okay. You might have a job right now. You might work extremely long hours, but you only need a little bit of time, okay, every single day. That's the way I teach it and the way I do it in order for you to make this work. So even if you don't have a lot of time in the day, literally you can see he's doing this just at 1 AM. So that you can do this any time of the day. It's not like a conventional job where you have to work 9 to 5 in order to get a paycheck, to get paid. The Forex markets are open 24 hours a day. So any time of the day you can open the charts, and any time of the day there's opportunities, okay. Sometimes are better than others, but there's always an opportunity, even in the lowest kind of volatile situations in the markets, okay, but there's always opportunities. So think about the time. If he doesn't have a job, okay, he can literally work his own hours. So think about working from 9 to 5 to switching it to a lifestyle where you can work and trade basically any time of the day. Okay, it's a completely different lifestyle. Gives you so much benefits. So look what he says. He says 2 positions each. He's risking $4. So basically he says he risked $8 to make $55. Now you might think this is small, okay, but you're missing the point here, okay. Think about it from this standpoint. He's risking $8 and he gets it straight away, okay, because obviously he's gone through my education and he actually knows the power in what he's actually been given now, okay. So he's effectively risking $8 to make $55, and when you do the math on that, that's pretty much a 12% return on investment. So you think about it from this standpoint. If you risked $100 on this trade, okay, you'd make 6 times that amount, okay, because I always talk about risking 2% or less of your trading account. So if he's risking 2% to make 12%, that means he's making 6 times what he's risking. So if you risked $100 on this trade, or let's say if you risked $100 on this trade, you'd be able to make $600 on this trade, okay, profit, okay. So it's just really powerful what he's learning to do, and he's a beginner. This is 6 days into going through my course materials. So you think about it from that standpoint. When he actually gets to a point where he's got like a standard trading account, okay, he'll be easily making $1,200 or more a day trading the Forex markets. And these are the kind of benefits you get just from learning the way I trade the Forex markets. Look what he says to just wrap it up. He says, "Thank you so much, Israel, and I hope this helps others who are scared to pull the trigger." This is it's a great thing for him to say, obviously, about me, but at the same time it's really telling, because there are traders all out there scared to pull the trigger. And it's funny because at the end of the day, there are loads of scammers in the industry, and it's interesting when people try and say, oh, they try and categorize me in there as well, and I don't fully understand it, really honestly, because I'm posting stuff like this on a regular basis, people getting results, etc. So really, you're just scared. You're trying to blame someone else for you not being able to take action. Okay, it's just that simple. Look what he says. He says Mr. Israel is a master trader in my view. So he's literally, after 6 days, after getting these kind of returns, in his first 6 days, he's able to pull out a trade with a 12% plus return. Okay, so really right now you're watching this, you've seen this, you've heard this, you've got a decision to make. Do you want to continue doing what you're doing right now? Maybe you're making a little bit of money, or maybe you're struggling, or what happens to a lot of traders is maybe you're losing a lot of money. Well, what you need to do right now, okay, and I don't want any of you to kind of do what I'm going to say next. If you're someone that complains, you're someone that doesn't take action on what is actually said, okay, you're someone that makes excuses, then this isn't going to be for you. But if you're literally tired of just losing money trading the Forex markets, if you're ready to trade the Forex markets like this, okay, like new students, Russ, can come in and just literally make profits within these first 6 days, then what you need to do is, there's a link below this video. I want you to click that link. It's going to take you to a page where you can fill out your information. You can pay for this Forex course, and then you can start learning exactly the same things Russ was learning in order to make these kind of returns. It's so straightforward. Click the link below this video. Invest in yourself today, okay, and allow someone out there making money trading the Forex markets and teaching others to make money, as you can see here, to show you exactly what you need to do. So click the link below this video. You can get instant access to the course today, okay, after you've actually made the payment, and we can get you set up and started and on your journey to making consistent returns. Thanks and take care.